Guys, I really, 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 really want to meet Andrew Holness. Like, where can I go to meet the Honorable Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew? What's this Andrew a girl and I'm gonna pick up everybody? Me want to be picked up. I'm very short. I'm very short. I'm only 5 foot little bit. Andrew, may I come maybe for the JLP rally that will be held in Sam Shark Square? I will be there. And I want to meet Andrew. And I want to take a photo with the best prime minister Jamaica has ever had. Like, when you cannot deny his star power, you guys cannot deny his charisma. Nobody never wants to PJ. Only wants to PJ, not me.
In the world of politics, charisma is just as powerful as policy. And in Jamaica, one man has not only led a nation, but also captured the hearts of countless women. Prime Minister Andrew Michael Holness.
Right, let's one night stand. Me have to make me ride it. Big body Andrew. Big body Andrew. Big good Andrew. Big good Andrew.
Some call him a visionary leader, others call him simply irresistible. Power is attractive. From the moment Andrew Holness became the youngest prime minister in Jamaica's history, at just 39 years old, women saw him as more than just a politician. He was ambitious, sharp, and carried the confidence of a man in control. The suit, the speeches, the presence, all played into the image of a leader who could command not just a country, but also attention. See that? Ooh, yeah. Unlike the stereotype of rough, aggressive politicians, Holness built a reputation as calm, polite, and gentlemanlike. His soft-spoken nature, paired with charm, made him stand out. Women admire his composure, his clean public image, and the way he seemed unbothered by chaos. To them, he wasn't just a politician, he was a refined Jamaican man. Has been married to Juliet Holness for decades, and their marriage is often on public display. Instead of making women lose interest, it did the opposite. It amplified their admiration.
Hey guys, I'm so elated and excited. Today, while the Prime Minister was on his campaign trail, this lady threw a kissing bouquet to the Prime Minister. Oh my God, it's so heartfelt. Guys, just watch this.
This is lovely. Oh my. This is a globe bouquet. Globe bouquet. Lovely, lovely, lovely. My God.
The Prime Minister even mentioned on his page where he posted it that he would like to know this lady's name, to thank her personally. He even said how much his people love him and it warms his heart. And you know, we love you so much, Mr. Prime Minister, because we know that you love us genuinely because of the work that you have put in and you have done for our country and our nation. We love you. One love. What time it is? 1 p.m.
Many saw him in the perfect package. A man who values family, respects his wife, and sets an example for what a father should be. Then there's the look. Holness had maintained a youthful appearance, often appearing more like a corporate executive than a career politician. His sharp suits, neat grooming, and tall frame gave him the leader look that women admired. Some say he's Jamaican version of a statesman mixed with a movie star. Beyond power and image, women connected with his accessibility. Holness often appeared approachable, someone who would stop, listen, share a laugh, or lend a hand. In a society where distance between politicians and the people is common, touch of humanity made him relatable and even more attractive. Part of the attraction comes from mystery. Holness really shows too much of his personal side. This leaves room for imagination and in turn curiosity. Women are drawn to the enigma of a leader who gives just enough to keep them watching, but never everything. So, why do women go crazy over Andrew Holness? Is it his power, his looks, his calm, demeanor, or simply the aura of leadership? The truth is, it's a mixture of all. But one thing is certain: Holness has managed to build not just a political following, but also a kind of quiet fandom among women across Jamaica. At the end of the day, admiration for a leader is not just about politics, it's about the human qualities they represent. And in Andrew Holness, women see strength, loyalty, elegance, and ambition. Qualities of a man who, in their eyes, is more than just Prime Minister, is a symbol of what a Jamaican man can be. A One Daily TV, I'm out.